Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious soup beans. First, let's prepare our beans. It's essential to rinse 1 pound of dried beans thoroughly under cold water to remove any dust. Then, carefully sort through them to pick out any small stones or unwanted debris. For the best texture and cooking time, soak your beans overnight in about 8 cups of water. If you're short on time, a quick soak method involves boiling them for just 1 minute, then letting them rest for an hour. Once your beans are properly soaked, drain them completely and transfer them to a large pot. Cover them with fresh water, ensuring there are about 2 inches of water above the beans. Now, it's time to add some foundational flavor. Incorporate 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Bring the pot to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let them cook for 1 to 2 hours until they reach a perfectly tender consistency. Now let's infuse our soup beans with incredible flavor. This is where a smoked ham hock or some crispy bacon truly shines, adding a deep, savory richness. Season your pot with about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a single bay leaf. For a touch of brightness and balance, stir in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Continue to simmer the beans for another 30 to 60 minutes, allowing all these wonderful flavors to fully meld together. Your delicious soup beans are almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, remember to remove the bay leaf and any large bones from the ham hock. For a slightly thicker, creamier broth, you can mash a small portion of the beans against the side of the pot. Serve your hot soup beans alongside warm cornbread, a sprinkle of fresh chopped onions, or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Any leftovers can be safely refrigerated for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.